Let's write the sound S together. Hi children, welcome back again to my channel. Who is excited? Yay! So today we're going to be learning how to write the sound what? S. Okay, so my name is Favourtheteacher and you're welcome to this channel. We'll be learning how to write the sound from A to what? R. So if you have not learned that, you would have to go down to the description and there's a link there to take you on how to write the sound what? All the sounds from A to R. Okay, so today, who is ready? I want to be sure that you can say your sounds from A to what? Z. So look at the screen and let's recite our sounds together. 1, 2, go!
Apple, apple, b, bag, b, cup, d, dog, d, elephant, frog, goat, g, house, hat, insect, jug, king, lollipop, mop, net, orange, pot, queen, rat, snake, tap, umbrella, van, water, x-ray, yam, zip.
My goodness, you did an amazing job there. Wow, I am so proud of you. Give me a beautiful, fantastic high five. Boom! Good job. Well done, children. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some random flashcards. I also want to be sure that you can say your sounds randomly, right? Okay, so what sound is this? X. Amazing. Good job. And what about this one? G. Beautiful. And this one over here? Wow. And what about this one? Good job. And this one here? Like your frog. Amazing. And what sound is this? Beautiful. Good. I am super proud of you. And what about this one? Good job. Okay, and one more. We did this the last time, right? Okay, so right now, we're going up now to write the sound what? S. So I have with me here my whiteboard. It's over here. Yeah, and I have my board marker over here. Now you can see that writing the sound is not difficult. It has two curves So the first one, we have this curve here we use in writing the sound ah, and we have this other curve we use in writing number 2 or the sound word b. Okay, so we're going to be connecting the back curve and a curve together. Is that understood? Okay, so come with me. Let's do this together. It's very easy, just the way the sound goes like this, right? So let's go. A back curve and another curve, right? A back curve and a curve. Again, can you see that? A back curve and another curve. That's the sound word. Again, a back curve and another curve. Again, a back curve and another curve. A back curve and another curve. A back curve and another curve. Again, a back curve and another curve. Sound what? Again, a back curve and another curve. A back curve and another curve. Again, a back curve and another curve. That's the sound word. So can you see this? So let's go. Look up here. Want to go. Do your hand this way. A back curve and another curve is a sound word. Now let's do it again. Want to go. A back curve and another curve. Again. A back curve and another curve. Beautiful. That's how we write the sounds. Very, very easy, right? Very easy. Okay, so right now we have learned how to write the sound words. We're going now to connect from A to S. So come with me. Let's do this together. Okay, so we can, let me clean this off. Yeah. So the first sound, remember that if you are lost, all you need to do is go back and recite and you will know the next sound, okay? So the first sound we have is what? A. Remember, A has a beautiful loop over there. A. The next one is what? Beautiful, the sound B. Okay? A, B. Good. A, B. The next one, D. Good job. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and the loop. A, B, D. E, oh, the D is not looking beautiful, right? Okay, let's make it to be beautiful. Okay, a back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and the loop. A, B, K, D. E. A, B, K, D. E. Beautiful. A curve, speaker swing, and a dash. A, B, K, D, E, F, G. Curve, stroke out, down, make a swing. Did you see that? A, B, K, D, E, F, G. Beautiful. A, B, K, D, E, F, G. E. Stroke down, a loop, and a dot. G, E, J. Good. Stroke down, a swing, and a dot. G, E, J. K. Beautiful. If you don't know how to go that way, you go back again. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J. K. L. Stroke down and make a loop. Okay. The next one, A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J, K, L. Amazing. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J, K, L. Stroke down, stroke up, down the hill, and the loop. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J, K, L. O. O. Beautiful. P. The curve. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Qu. Good job. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Qu. R. Beautiful. Make a wave. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S. Good job. Back curve and the curve. S. So can you see that we have written from A to what? S. You can see that learning how to write your sounds is very, very easy. Okay, remember to go back and keep practicing how to write, because when we are done with this, we are going to arrange it in a very beautiful way so your handwriting can begin to take shape. Okay, all right, so one more time, let's turn over here and see how to write the sounds again. A back curve and another curve. The sound what? Again, a back curve and another curve. S. Again, a back curve and another curve. S. A back curve and a curve. 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 What's the sound? S. Beautiful. Again, a back curve and a curve. S. 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 A back curve, a back curve and a curve. S. A back curve and a curve. S. A back curve and a curve. S. So we have tried to write the sounds everywhere, right? So right now I know you can do it, okay? Okay, children, so this is the end of our video, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll learn to write the sound what? Beautiful. So till then, remember to keep practicing. Remember to like this video and share, okay? Bye, children. Bye.